Hi there guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Silver Fanatic.
Yes guys.
Okay guys, today it's about the BRICS summit in South Africa guys. It's in Joburg, Johannesburg.
The 15th BRICS summit.
The 15th, yeah. It has kicked, it's underway guys.
Yeah, that's true.
It's underway. It has started with the South African president kicked it off with a speech.
Yes.
As a host, as South Africa is hosting this 15th BRICS summit. Basically, on his speech, the South African president Cyril Ramaphosa touched on the strengthening of the economic ties between our respective countries and the expansion of BRICS.
Yeah. That's what he touched on.
Yeah.
We're looking forward to hear more about that.
Yes, and he also invited all the African leaders just to observe and just to be in the audience and listen.
He's recruiting them.
Indirect guys. So he invited them just to sit on the audience and listen. Yeah.
The Brazil. What does the president of Brazil say?
What's the president of Brazil? Lula
da Silva. I think so. Sorry to butcher the name.
It's Lula da Silva, guys. I think he touched on something. Elephant in the room, guys. I think everybody is scared to pose this one out, but they're all suspicious of it, guys. He touched on the fact that we cannot accept new global colonialism, guys. He touched on that. I think many are seeing that maybe somebody on the BRICS will want to colonize the global, all the countries at the end.
Yeah, that's true.
He suspects that, so that's why his speech touched on the new global colonialism, guys. He said that we cannot accept it. So that's what his speech was about. The Brazil president.
And on it did touch on our what we've been waiting for, BRICS currency, that it will not replace the national currency.
Yes.
So
it did mention that
currency, your countries currently are safe.
They are
now.
safe. I think basically they want to use this BRICS currency just to trade amongst countries. Because we're gonna touch on because there's a president that touched on de-dollarizing. So I think this BRIC currency is just to de-dollarize. That's the main aim, just to de-dollarize. That is how we see it. That's the only way. But we'll touch on that. There is a president that touched on that later on the video. And it looks like Xi Jinping was
not present.
He was not present
at the
to
podium.
Deliver the speech at the podium.
Where they were sitting.
Because his name was there. Was there on the agenda to deliver the speech, but instead of him being present, he sent his minister, and nobody knows where it disappeared to. We were also confused. We're still wanting to find out where did he really went to, because he is here in South Africa.
He is. He did arrive.
I think we saw him arrive, and the president welcomed him. So he is here, but when the time for delivering the speech, he sent his minister. So I do not know why that happened. And it looks like other countries. I think they're not in agreement.
I think there was a lot of tension there when they were delivering speech.
Yes.
I think I saw some tension.
There is a lot of tension, guys.
So we can't wait to hear what's on their plan, what they're gonna disagree, what they're gonna agree on.
But the main thing that I'm seeing that they are truly agreeing on is that whenever there is a conflict, they should resolve it through talks, not through fighting one another. So that's the thing that they are really, really agreeing on. That is what I'm saying. But the thing that they are in disagreement on is the expansion of BRICS.
Yeah. Because I don't think Brazil and India are agreeing with that.
Yes.
But we'll soon find out.
You will soon find out, guys. Yeah.
Maybe they will compromise.
Because I think they will still, as we are speaking right now, they are having talks on how they can include other countries that show the interest onto a BRICS. So as we speak, they are busy with that decision on how they're gonna incorporate and bring other countries that really showed interest, because there are many African countries as well that showed interest.
Yeah.
So they're busy talking about that.
Yeah, I think the strategy of how they're gonna include them, how they're gonna change their name, because BRICS is almost representing the country that are in. I think the name should change also. Yeah. As we speak, the president that did talk about the
De-dollarizing.
De-dollarization.
De-dollarization, guys. It was one and only Vladimir Putin.
Yes, Russian president.
The Russian president, guys. He spoke on de-dollarization, guys. That's what he touched on his speech. I think, yeah, he really touched on that. And
we can't wait to find out.
Yeah.
Because I think those are the main topics. De-dollarization, BRICS currency.
And BRICS currency, yes, guys. Yeah. I don't know, guys, how you're seeing this this whole thing. Whether
we are dreaming, or
I don't know whether you're seeing USA go down without a fight. I don't know how you are seeing this. Whether they will accept and just go down without a fight.
I don't think
because
so.
I feel that the US will not go down without a fight. The only thing that I'm seeing now is that they will just go for war. They will go on war, guys. They will take this thing to war. And I think it's going to be a mess, because it's going to be East versus West.
It's a mess. It's
and South. So it's just going to be a mess, guys. But I feel that USA is going to take this thing into war. Because really, I don't think they will want to go down without a fight. Because clearly, these countries, they're under one mission.
Exactly.
To bring to de-dollarize, bring the US down. As a world state.
And I don't think it's a bad thing, but I think these countries, they want to be rich and famous, like US. And US, they're getting more and more poor because of what is happening around them, the debts, all those things. So they're becoming poor. So their only option is to go to war and regain their power again.
Yes, it is. So what they call it? So something like that. That's word. Yeah, that's the word.
Yeah.
Supremacy. So guys, just tell us on the comment below. What do you think? How do you see this thing?
Yeah.
Yes, and how you see the BRICS currency? How is it going to be measured on a yen? That's what we feel that it's going to be measured on China's currency.
It's up to something.
Yes.
I don't think. It's up to something.
China doesn't like to share, guys.
It's disappearing. Definitely, it's up to something.
Up to something. I suspect the elephant that was addressed by the Brazilian president.
It's already there.
Yeah, that we cannot allow new global colonialism.
Yeah,
I suspect China is up to that.
Yeah,
that's my suspicion, guys.
That's true.
I'm just suspecting. I'm not concluding on that and saying for facts. For facts, it's my opinion, our opinion that we suspect.
Yeah.
please tell us on the comment below.
That's true.
What's your observation? How do you see this entire thing? In your own view of your point of view, how you see this thing?
Is war coming?
Is the war
between
on
China
the card?
and US?
Yes, between China and US. Because if that happens, I think we are really going to suffer. As we always say, stack gold and silver and food as well, guys. Because if we go to war,
it's gonna be a long
it's gonna take forever.
Yeah, it's gonna take forever.
Be a really long war.
Yeah.
World War what? 3.
Yeah, I think 10.
It has already begun.
To 100 this one.
Yeah, World War 3, guys. We foresee.
Yeah.
We foresee happening. Yeah. Just tell us below what you think.
What do you think, guys? Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just keep you all updated, guys, on this BRICS currency and latest news.
And talk.
I think since it started today, on the 22nd, I think it started to 22nd. I'm not sure. But guys, it's on the, I feel it's 22nd. It started on the 22nd. It started today. Yeah, I'm not too sure, but yeah, okay.
All right, see?
All right, guys, please, if you like and reach this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And press the notification bell, guys, because we're going to be covering this BRICS currency.
Yeah. And
yes, this BRICS summit, I mean.
Summit, yeah.
Yeah, because I'm calling it a currency because the president, the South African president, he said that it's going to be
the top
on the agenda. Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, tell us what you think on the comment below. Let's just engage and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.
Yeah.
And press the notification to see our upcoming videos, guys, because we're gonna be trying to cover this story because it's going to affect everyone.
Yes, that's true.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Thanks. Bye.